I am going to take a new topic, sustainable economic development. Mountain and rocks, and if all the things are included, it means environment. We have to include in human life and economic activity. Human life, it means each and everything is related to life, and it is related to economic values and mineral life. It means we have to include all the things which are available in the nature. So it will be count in environment. If we so first of all, we have to know about the global warming. Global warming, it means increasement of surface temperature. Ozone depletion. Ozone depletion, it means decreasement of ozone layer. It means if you want to understand, due to pollution or are there due to human activities, if ozone layer is decreased, in that condition we can count in ozone depletion. Come on environmental issues. Environmental issues, first issue is here, rapid population. Day by day we are knowing that everywhere we can see much population. So in that condition, we know very well what is the rule. Resources are limited, so land is limited, everything is limited, but population is much, so it is not possible every person can utilize the resources, because there is need of more and more resources. Second one is industrial revolution. Due to industrial revolution, so different type of waste we can see it is released by factories. So in that condition, it's create very big problem for us or for human life also. Then we have to come on India's environment. In India's environment, first we have to see land degradation. Land degradation, it means land quality decrease. It means if we want to produce more and more goods, if we want to cultivate more and more goods, so it is not possible. So it means it will be count in land degradation. It means our production capacity also decrease. Second one, if you want to see here, so fresh water management. It means we have water, less water for drinking, but we are using I want to say that misusing the water. In the next one is here air pollution. It is one of the cause. Day by day every person, if you want to see the in example, every person wants his own vehicle. So in that condition carbon dioxide level will increase, because every person increase the supporting to increase in pollution. So it is the one of the cause. So air pollution day by day increase due to new invention, due to utilization of new techniques. We are using new technique. We are creating so many type of facilities, but we don't want to think about the environment. So air pollution is increase. We have to come on sustainable resources. Sustainable, it means if we want to say place of running resources, so we have to utilize or we have to use another type of resources. For example, if we can use LPG, wind energy, and if you want to see so solar system, solar energy, we can also utilize. At present, its use day by day increase. Place of traditional resources. Before some time we use wood, also firewoods, but at present place of firewood we are using LPG. At present place of carbonic fuel we have to utilize CNG also. So it is we are using different type of resources. In short, if you want to understand sustainable development. So we have to utilize, or we can say that we have to use our resources in different manner. We have to think about the resources, because in future that type of resources are available here or not. We know very well one thing, resources are limited, and if you want to say that wants are unlimited, and every resources have alternative uses, so we have to go for alternative uses.